Welcome to Pointwise Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we want to show you how to use the Pointwise online user manual. Let's go ahead and switch to Pointwise. If you have Pointwise up and running, the easiest way to actually get to the user manual is to go to the Help menu option, and the first option over there is User Manual. As you can see, a web browser is going to open up and you are presented with the user manual. Let's assume you don't have Pointwise up and running, but you still need to see how a feature works. Another way to get to the user manual is to simply open a web browser and look for the Pointwise user manual. Click Enter, and the first option that shows up will take you again to the user manual. There are a few things that I want to point out in the user manual. First off, you can see that things are organized in the same order as we have them in the Pointwise GUI. File, Edit, View, Examine, Select, Create, and so on. It is also very easy to navigate. Let us assume that you're interested in some particular examine function and you need more information about it. Simply go to the Examine option, Functions, and you are presented with all the available examine options in Pointwise. Let's assume you're interested in the cell type function. As you can see, if you click on it, it's going to take you to the page where you can find more information about this particular function, not only a description with images, but also one of the nice things about using the online version of the user manual. If you scroll all the way down to most pages, you're going to be presented with a video that is going to show you how to use the feature you're interested in. Another thing that I want to point out in the user manual is the search box. This search box is only available when you're using the online version of the user manual. Let's say you're interested in sources in Pointwise and you would like to know more. So you use the search box over there, type sources, enter, and you're presented with a list of options of pages where we actually talk about sources. Again, click one of these options and you're going to be taken to the appropriate page. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.